What's up guys, it's Shelby here, and today we are trying to set up the guide gear full-size truck tent. So it's supposed to look like this, and I've got a bag here. We're gonna try and put it on my truck. First time setting it up. It's a 2017 Dodge Ram 1500 with a 6'4" bed, and I'm not a camp expert, so bear with me as we go through this. Step one roll tent. Got the back in the corners, totally unrolled, and we've got some directions. They're not like super clear as usual. This thing was only 94 bucks on Amazon. It had 200 plus reviews that were all pretty positive. So here's the directions here. Step one. It's easier if we do it on the ground, so I took it out of the truck bed. Gonna do it on the ground. Get all the holes out. See what we're working with. It says carefully unfold the fiberglass poles, allow them to slide together. If the poles snap together quickly, this can lead to serious pole damage. Identify the two longest gray fiberglass poles. These will go corner to corner. We'll go in these holes, corner to corner.
Look like we're mentally retarded over here.
Still good. Maybe not do this in the middle of the street.
Yeah, that's a pretty terrible idea.
I don't know where it goes down here. I don't know if this goes here. Then put the green through here in front. Hope nobody runs over the poles. What do you think, Jake?
Doing great. Keep it up.
You ready for the outdoors?
Yep.
Where's the other part? See it? What the heck? That's like way long. Then you take the black pole,
Stick it in your butt.
put it up the center. No, Jake.
Make sure.
Switch
Thanks to Monoscript Clothing for sponsoring this video.
No.
No idea.
There's not even anywhere close to it. They go into these little pockets at the base on each side. I don't know what the black one does yet. Little pocket on the back. Did you put that one into the same pocket?
Yeah, got it done.
Pop these open. And then we're trying to figure out where the top one goes. It's not. Oh god. Huh? Where? It's inside these little green pockets at the front and the back of the tent. You got these little Velcro holders. And there's a pocket at the front. Right there. And now we'll try to put it in the truck. All right, so a couple things to note on this truck tent when you're installing. And pushes up through these two spots up front. The two gray poles, they go across the corner over the top from front to back on both front and rear. And then the black pole is the last pole, and it goes in the center inside the tent once it's erect. And then these sides mount up over the tailgate line, not inside. And then these straps, I'm gonna put some cushion around these so I don't scratch my truck. But everything else looks to be pretty good. And then this goes over the bed as well. So all in all, looks pretty good. And it's got a bug net and plenty of room in there. It's pretty huge. So I'll show you what it looks like inside. I'm 6 foot and got a couple windows. Plenty of room for the air mattress, and it looks like there's no access for, like, I have a extension cord or power cord to come in through the truck through the back window, so I might have to figure something out with that. But other than that, it's pretty sweet. Plenty of room, $94 on Amazon, and it is the Guide Gear full-size truck tent. They have a compact too for short beds. Mine's 6'4", a 17 Dodge Ram, and I'll show you what it looks like from the outside. Also has a rain cover that hooks on to 4 corners too, so not too bad. Pretty easy setup. Here's what it looks like on the outside. Pretty sick. Not bad for $94. So I'm gonna try it out tomorrow, and we'll see how she works. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, click subscribe and let me know if you have any questions. Like I said, this is like my first tent. A lot of firsts on my channel with the truck stuff because I just haven't dabbled in that stuff before. So let me know stupid questions, thoughts you guys have, probably the same ones I've had. So put them on there, subscribe, talk to you later.